Clear track ahead, time to go for my fast lap. Keep in mind all references will vary slightly depending on the specific kart's handling characteristics. For turn 1 brake just before the first cone. I was too late on the brakes here and lost some time. You want to take a smooth arch between first and second barriers. Late apex the first marker, prioritizing exit. I'm always looking to improve, so if you have a better line or braking point, let us know in the comments. Back to the lap. Use the crack in the pavement as a reference. Only a minor dab on the brakes to settle the front of the kart. Turn in immediately. Track out as much as possible. Use dark square as a reference for turn in. No braking needed in most karts. Once again braking between the two cones. This corner is a double apex. Focus on the second part. Stay middle of the road using the end of the white line as a turn-in reference. Use color change in pavement as your turn-in reference. Use color change in pavement as your turn-in reference. Look ahead to exit of chicane, taking as smooth a line as possible. And that's a lap of United Karting. Here's the lap one more time at full speed. Not a perfect lap, but I managed a personal best. 51.89. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe if you found this helpful.